Yeah, it sounds really good. I like it. And by the way, we're going to a car meet. This is the next day. So, yeah. We actually have some cool stuff to do today, so you'll see.
This is why you should have told him. This is why you should have told him to come around. That's gonna be your vlog?
Yeah.
Nigga, if you need some music, nigga, use my shit.
Oh, send me some shit. With the gray shirt, Denzel. Y'all see this? Y'all remember the car that I shot before, right? This is it. So we'll do a second video about it because there's a whole lot done to it now. Trying to get like this nigga, dog. Loves cold starts. Sting body no dog, blood clot. Yo, madness. Crosses. The thing mad, you know me neighbor, them hate me. But yo, you already know what the fuck going on. It's Jermaine Simpson with another video, aka I'm Swaggy. And I had to do another cringy introduction. But anyhow, I'm about to give you guys some sound clips and stuff since I'm going to be taking a pretty long drive. It's not long, it's not even an hour, but I'm about to go pick something up to list for sale. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So you guys will get some clips. Some driving clips, some sound clips and stuff like that, comparing like how the car sounds like on the inside with the windows up and the windows down and blah blah blah. But yeah, I guess I'll get back to you guys when I actually head out and start driving. So yeah, even though you guys aren't here, you're probably wondering where the fuck is the recording at. The highway goes to one lane, so it's, yeah, just a bunch of traffic. So hopefully on the way back it's not the same, so I can actually get some clips of driving. Pardon me. But yeah, per usual, something happening on the highway is ruining my drive. So yeah, let's hope for luck on the way back. I'm not sure what you guys are going to be able to see. Probably nothing. But yeah, there was just construction on both sides, so I really wasn't able to do too much. But I guess you guys will hear a couple pulls. Just watch me drive a little bit of the way home, and that'll be that. But yeah, there's going to be a lot more videos. I'm just waiting for shop time to get the methanol kit installed. Once that's done, then what I'm most likely going to do is get the is do some data logging, and then what do you call it? Is get the smaller pulley, because my IATs and everything like that should be good. But yeah, that's all I really need. But the car sounds great so far, and with the car being like this, the smaller pulley is going to be so sick, and I'm really excited for that. So yeah, I really want to do that. I really want to get the smaller pulley. I was going to wait, but I don't know if I will, but I guess we'll just see how it goes. But yeah, I'll shut up now, and you guys will hear me drive, because I'm pretty sure you cannot see anything. Actually, let me see if this, I don't know if that helps. It might not, but legitimately saw not one cool car, not one modified car, not one nothing. But if I was in the Pathfinder, I would have saw Lambos and Hellcats and everything. Like, that's just always how it is, and it's super annoying. But yeah, such is life, I guess. Sorry you guys weren't able to see or hear much. There's literally nothing I can do. There's a lot of traffic and everything, and construction, so yeah, we're gonna have to figure something out or start going to like the track or something, because I'm really trying to enjoy the car how the car is supposed to be enjoyed, and there's just not much opportunity to do so. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one, because again, there's not really much I can do right now. So